He's the grandson of Abubakar. Look at the friendship of Prophet and Abubakar radiallahu anhu. Prophet's grandson, Hussain, gives martyrdom. And after Prophet, the very first name you hear all the time, Abu Bakr, his grandson also gives life for Islam. Allah. This boy is born in the household of Asma, the daughter of Abu Bakr, the one who opened one of her belts to protect the food of Prophet ﷺ. Since that day she was called Dhatun Nataqain. Her son and her husband is Zubair. The Prophet ﷺ said, every prophet has a Hawari, a very devout, special khadim, special helper. And my Hawari is Zubair. From the blessed 10. They go to Medina with Prophet ﷺ. It's the first year. I chose this for a reason, brothers and sisters. I wanted to remind you of this story because this is one of the least told stories of Islam.